Debugging Python code in Visual Studio Code involves setting up the environment, placing breakpoints, and using the integrated debugging tools. Here's how to do it. Install Python extension. Open VS Code. Go to the extensions view by clicking the square icon on the sidebar or pressing Ctrl+Shift+X. Search for Python and install the official extension by Microsoft. Open your Python file. Open your Python project or file in VS Code by selecting File Open or File Open folder. Set up debugging configuration. Click the Run and Debug icon on the sidebar or press Ctrl+Shift+D. Click on Create a launch.json file link to create a debugging configuration. Choose Python file from the list of configurations. Set breakpoints. Open the Python file you want to debug. Click in the margin to the left of the line numbers to set a breakpoint. Start debugging. With your breakpoint set, click the green play button at the top of the Run and Debug view or press F5. The debugger will start and execution will pause at any breakpoints you've set. Use debugging controls. Continue. Resume program execution until the next breakpoint. Step over. Execute the next line of code, but don't enter functions. Step into functions to debug them line by line. Step out of the current function. Restart the debugging session. Stop the debugging session. Watch variables and call stack. Use the variables watch, call stack, and breakpoint sections in the Run and Debug view to inspect and manipulate variables, view the call stack, and manage breakpoints.